Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. Today I'll be doing an extreme macro photography using Laowa 25mm 5x magnification macro lens. I have already tested this Laowa 25mm macro lens for a single shot photography on a jumping spider. I'll be doing an extreme macro photography of the jumping spider from front leg to the back so that I have a very clear and totally sharp picture by focus stacking. The main purpose of this video is to judge the performance of Laowa 25mm macro lens. Before I start taking pictures, let me explain my gears for this extreme macro photography. For focus stacking, you need a rail for forwarding the camera slowly back and forth and very precisely. My camera stand has got a focus stacking rail, a small one, so that I can move the camera manually up and back and forth. This is my another rail for extreme macro photography. Let me show you. For extreme macro photography, people usually use a automated rail. There are several manufacturers for automated rail. They control the camera back and forth using software. Very precisely, in every second it can move the camera automatically and take the picture as you program it. But those rails are expensive. Since I am not doing a regular basis and I am not an entomologist and I am not a professional photographer, I don't want to invest that huge amount of money for a automated rail. Rather, what I have done, I have made one myself. This one is my extreme macro photography rail. You can see there is a very precise screw at the back, and that allows me to move the camera back and forth very slowly and with a very small fraction of a millimeter. I can move the camera back and forth using this wheel. So I'll be using this DIY extreme macro photography rail for today's photo shoot. And this one is another small microscope. There's a wheel up and down, and I can move the subject left and right. So I'll be using that one for subject. So let me start taking pictures with my DIY gears. The main purpose of this video is to judge the performance of Laowa 25mm macro lens and share with you the performance of it. I'll show you the pictures at the end of the video. Please keep watching until the end. Let me fix the camera on the rail. You see, I can manually back and forth this camera to a certain place. This is about 6-inch long shaft. So the camera is fixed on the shaft and tighten it up. And this is the wheel I'll be using for moving camera slowly forward. I'll start taking picture from the front leg to the last leg of the spider. The other gear is I'll be using Godox 350 with a radiant diffuser on top of it, and you can see another spotlight over here to give some extra light on the subject so that I can have a very clear focus picking of the subject. Now I'm going to place the spider over here. I've placed a very tiny spider on this white stone. This one is a coral stone. I've already made some focusing. I'll start from the front leg, focusing using the focus picking, red color focus picking on the LCD screen. I'm very slowly moving the camera. Sometimes I miss flash, so I need to press twice the shutter release. I'll be taking 30 shots at least, one after another, transfer it to the Lightroom, and I'll do focus taking either using a Lightroom or I prefer the Helicon focus. I'll be showing you the picture of focus tag extreme macro picture of this spider using Laowa 25mm macro lens. I'll show you the pictures at the end of the video. If you like my video today, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon, stay connected for my upcoming projects. Thank you for watching until the end. Now enjoy the pictures. Bye bye.